Impressionist painter Monet said, "The richness I achieve comes from nature, the source of my inspiration." Rachel Carson, biologist whose work was the catalyst for the modern environmental movement, said, "Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts." Researchers from Michigan State and Yale found that children who spend 5 to 10 hours per week outside in nature recognize and appreciate the beauty of nature's balance, symmetry, and color. They recognize and appreciate the order and wonder of nature and develop curiosity, creativity, and imagination. They notice small details like the pattern of ripples on water or the intricate design of a fern frond or the texture of lichen on tree bark. How can caregivers help children develop this appreciation for art in nature? Give them time in nature to look at flowers, to look at rocks, to look at pine cones, to look at shells, and other items of natural beauty. Help them learn the names and shapes and colors. Let them gather natural materials. Give them the time and space to make shapes with natural materials. Give them the freedom to work unrushed and self-directed. What benefits do children receive from creating nature art? Young children may lack the vocabulary to talk about their emotions and need other ways to express themselves. They can use art to help themselves process their experiences and deal with overwhelming emotions. Another benefit of nature art is that children begin to see nature as an extension of themselves. They recognize the intrinsic worth of nature and the need to value and protect it. They don't equate the value of nature to the value of lumber made from trees or the value of electricity generated by a hydroelectric dam or the value of minerals extracted from the ground. The close observation of nature inspires a feeling of wonder that is beyond a monetary value. Monet said, "The richness I achieve comes from nature, the source of my inspiration." Rachel Carson said, "Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts."